Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Invisible Tiara, and in today's video I'll be testing out a new makeup product. And if you are somewhere in Canada or US, I'm sure you definitely might have seen or heard about this product, maybe while scrolling through Instagram or maybe in Facebook. So I'm talking about the MAKIAGE Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. So this foundation is so popular because they claim that their shade is gonna match your skin perfectly based on an online quiz. And another reason is they give you a full size of product to try for free for 14 days, and if you don't like it you can return it free of cost. So this is a New York based brand and they do ship internationally. So let me tell you how you can try their product for free. So when you go to their website, you can see that they will be asking you to take a quiz that's called a 90 seconds quiz, wherein they will be asking you about your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, combination, or neutral or balanced. So once you select your skin type, they'll go to what kind of coverage you want in your foundation. So I personally went for medium coverage. So once you finish that, you will be guided to what finish you want in your foundation. So I personally went for a natural look. You can also select a matte or a luminous one. Once you do that, they'll show you few pictures wherein you have to select a shade which matches you closely, and thereon they'll be asking you few more questions on your undertones and all. So after those few questions, they'll derive your perfect shade that according to them matches you. So once they come up with the perfect shade for you and you also think that works for you, you can go ahead and order the product. And now I want you to listen to me carefully. So while ordering, you will not be charged for the product that you have ordered, but you will be charged for the shipping cost, which will be around $5 to $6. In my case, it was somewhere around $6.5. So initially that's what you pay. But once the trial period of 14 days gets over and you don't return the product to them, it will be treated as if you like the product and you want to keep them. So they'll be charging you for the product after that 14 days. But if you return the product within that 14 days, you will not be charged anything, but you will not get the shipping amount back too. Also, while ordering, they'll be also asking you if you want to try their concealer too. They'll be matching the shade in the concealer too based on your foundation. So if you want, you can try both the products in one go. So that's what I did. I received the concealer and foundation both. So the price of the foundation is $45 and concealer retails for $31. So if you ask me, I would say yeah, it's quite expensive, but yeah, they are offering you a free trial period of 14 days, so there is no harm in trying, right? I know too much of explanation is done. So now let's move on and test the product. So I have the package here with me and this is what it looks like. And when you open it, you get a box like this. So when I got this parcel first, I was really impressed by whole this packaging and all. And even I opened it and saw the product, and let me tell you, they have done a top-notch thing in the packaging side. So when you open the box, you can see this is how it looks. It's quite eye-catching and impressive, I would say, and the packaging is really good. So the two products which I ordered was the foundation right here, and here is the concealer, and these two products right here was gifts. So when you add these products to your cart, so you can see a mystery item also gets added. You are not sure what you will be receiving, so was I. When I received it, I got to know that it's an eyeliner, and let me tell you, it's really nice. I'll show you the application and all later in the video. And the next was this foundation brush by the same brand. This was added to my cart when I subscribed to their newsletter and emails, I guess. Yeah, this too was gifts, and who doesn't love gifts? Anyways, now let's move on and test our product. So I have already applied the moisturizer, and now moving on to the primer. I am trying out a new primer today, and it's the Physician Formula's butter primer. It's called a putty primer. So this is the first product I'm trying out from Physician Formula, I have heard their bronzer is really good. So this is how it looks, and you just swirl your finger here and get the product. It's kind of creamy, which is good for dry skin types. It's definitely creamy, and I can feel that once you blend it, it settles in your pore. Now let's move on to the star product of our video. The foundation is here. When you open the box, you can see the foundation bottle right there, and the fun part is, look at this, it's magnetic. So this is the foundation bottle right here. This comes in a frosted glass bottle, which looks very nice. Just look at this bottle, it looks so classy. And here you have the pump right here to get the product, which is quite nice. So to apply this foundation today, I'll be using their foundation brush itself, which they sent me. So this is what the brush looks like. Does it has any number? Yeah, a foundation blending brush 100. The brush too looks really nice, and it's really soft too. So on the right side I'll be using the brush, and then left I'll be using the sponge. Let's get started. Come out. So let's take 2 pumps as of now. Smells some kind of oil, I would say. Anyways, let's try it out. I am dabbing the product as usual on my face. Okay, so I will have to take a bit more for my forehead. What it looks like with like one coat. I would say the brush has also worked quite nice. There are no streaks on my face. Yeah, and the shade matches me perfectly. So let's move on to the sponge. Let's apply on the forehead also. I guess I'll take 2 more pumps. I've used a little more on my cheeks because I just want to check if it's buildable. Though the brush is really nice, but I am actually comfortable and I am used to applying a foundation with a sponge. So this is what my foundation looks so far. It's definitely giving me a natural finish. That's what I opted for while I was filling the quiz. I went for something medium and natural looking. So that's what I can see here. So till now I'm very much impressed because I can't see any kind of dry patches or streaks of the foundation, or anywhere it hasn't settled till now anywhere on my skin. So let's see how it ends up at the end of my whole makeup look. So moving on to the concealer, I have the concealer in the shade 3.5. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, very sturdy and looks very classy. If I look at the shade from here, I doubt that it will match me. It's kind of light for me, I think, but we'll see. So this is what the shade looks like. It's kind of light for me, but I guess it would work great as a brightening concealer. The difference you can see in both my eyes. Definitely this has given me a coverage, but it's light on my skin. Definitely it's buildable and it has a very creamy texture. That's why it's not drying out my under eyes, because I have seen many concealer, if you apply and under eye gets dry after sometimes, and it kinds of get very difficult to blend to, but this is very easy. So I have applied the concealer in both my eyes and I can definitely see it's little light on my skin. This would definitely work great if you use it as a brightening concealer. I'll show you. Like if I apply it on my high points, you can see the difference. See? So you can see the instant brightening effect it has given. That's what I feel about the concealer. Just to top it up, I'm using the Elegant concealer under my eyes. So yeah, now I feel it's a little better. I would like to talk a bit about the consistency of the concealer. It's really creamy, so you have to set it soon, otherwise it start to crease. To set my makeup, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So I have set my face and so far I'm loving the base. Now I'll move on to the eye makeup and come back. So yeah, I'm done with my eye look and this is what I did. I added some falsies also today and I have done a kind of cut crease makeup but on a neutral note. So yeah, let me know if you like it. To finish off my eye look, I'll be using the liner by the same brand and this was the mystery item which I received. And look at the tip of the brush, so sharp. You can create any kind of line, like a thin or a thick one, like that. I am using a liner so that it will also help me to hide the falsies band. So this is what my eye look right now. Now I'm moving on to the blush which I'm using by Faces today. It's in the shade Cocktail Peach. It's a very nice peach shade, perfect for summers. Today I'll be using the Sun Kiss highlighter by Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Golden Kiss, so it has a very nice beautiful golden shine to it. So I have also added the highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. It definitely makes a lot of difference and makes your eyes look more open. So yeah, we are almost done. Now moving on to the lipstick. So today I'm going with the Chambord lipstick and it's in the shade 483. We are done with the makeup. Now let's set it all. I'm setting the makeup with the same makeup fixer by MAC. So yeah, with this I complete my makeup look and I definitely love this. I love my base today. I really love how this foundation has given me a very natural look, also providing a medium coverage to my face. I don't have any kind of pigmentation or dark spots on my skin, so this kind of formula works for me. But in case you want a full coverage, you can definitely do the same while ordering the foundation. So this is the best part, that you can customize this product as per your need. So I feel one should definitely give this a try, and frankly speaking, this foundation is now on going to be my go-to one. And talking about the concealer, I think that's a little light for me as mentioned, so it's perfect. I can use it as a brightening concealer but not to cover up my dark circles. So those are my reviews on the MAKIAGE foundation and the concealer. So that's all for today. If you all enjoyed this makeup look and enjoy such video of testing makeup products, so do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also comment down below what are your thoughts on this foundation and the products from this particular brand. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Seen me, you might have heard. I'm talking about the MAKIAGE.
Fuck life, let's dance. I don't care what all these haters think of me.
Whatever.